Here at the library we have a lot of old computers and they're getting kind of sluggish, so I wanted to see what I might do for just a little bit of money to revive them. I could have bought new machines for maybe $400, $500, $600, but I tried to see what would happen if I spent around $100 to revive them. And what I was trying to do is put in a solid state disk instead of a normal hard drive, and hopefully that would restore some of the performance. So I'm doing a little test here. I've got two machines that are otherwise identical. The one on the left has a solid state drive, the one on the right does not. I'm going to put the camera down and start them booting at the same time. So these are pretty old machines. The one on the left takes a while longer to start. It's still on the Compaq screen because it has an add-in card. The computer's too old to have a serial ATA interface, so I had to add an extra card. But even with that delay, it will still come up well before the machine on the right, which has the hard drive. And once these machines boot, they'll start a whole bunch of things. They'll start Microsoft Word, a spreadsheet in OpenOffice, Firefox, Internet Explorer, GIMP, which is an image manipulation program, and a PDF file. So these are pretty old computers. They're Pentium 4 1.8 gigahertz, which is about 2001 technology. They have 1.25 gigabytes of RAM, running XP Professional. Looks like the one on the left with SSD is just about done. It's loading the image manipulation program right now. The hard drive on the machine here on the right is a 20 gigabyte Western Digital drive that shipped with the machine originally, and the one on the left is running a 30 gigabyte OCZ drive. So everything's finished here on the left, and now we're just waiting for the hard drive machine to finish. I cloned the hard drive over to the SSD, so they're pretty much identical. The only difference, there's virtually no difference in the software. The hardware is identical except for the addition of a solid state disk. It cost about $70 after rebate, and I needed the serial ATA card, which cost about $30, and then I needed some miscellaneous hardware and cables. So it came to $110, $120, somewhere in there. And there's the PDF file. It's still working. Now obviously booting is a disk-bound operation and starting all these programs. If it was a CPU-bound thing, like doing perhaps video or Photoshop, something like that, then you wouldn't see much of a difference between them. But certainly some of the sluggishness we see with these older PCs is because we're just waiting for the disk to seek. I did tweak the machines to try to get the best performance, so like I turned off drive indexing. Okay, it's finished on the right, so that was a pretty substantial difference.